So the first question for all three of you is, what is Legalese and why it's important? We will start with Lakita, followed by Kalina and Farah.
Yes, thank you. So Legalese refers to the language, the formal and technical language, so words and phrases that are used by professionals in this field, so most notably lawyers, but other professionals within the legal field. And it's used in this field to communicate, whether it's through verbal communication or written communication. And when we discuss its importance, I think there's a general importance when we talk about legalese. So as individuals within our societies, it's important to understand what rights and obligations are ours. So for example, within your country creates laws that determine what you can and cannot do. And then on the level of governments, when they create treaties or they have relations, that can indirectly affect you as an individual in terms of where you can go and how freely, what restrictions there may be in that regard. And I think for our purposes today, what's really important about understanding legalese is the fact that we're entering this relatively new field and we need to collaborate in order to move forward. And for us to collaborate, we need to have a common understanding of the rules that guide us and how we're going to get there. And so that requires us understanding what the law says, what it means, what gaps may be there, and how we can chart that way forward. Thank you.
To be honest, I definitely agree with you, Lakita. What you said, it's very important. But to be honest, if I would like to give like an individual experience that I received 2 years ago in the university, in Northumbria University, when I was doing my master's degree in the space law. I had a chance to meet some people from the professional way for 20 years in the law degree. They received their degree on 20 years ago, and they were in a professional area of the law and doing like a very, very hard court cases. And we had a chance to have the same assignment together, and we received our feedback, but it was so disappointing to see that they received bad marks from after even 20 years of their like a full-time working experience, because the problem is they were saying that the feedback was saying that they are not clear enough to explain what they are trying to say. 20 years ago, they were saying to them that write your assignment, then let your mother to read your assignment. If they don't understand, it means you've done something good. But to be honest, in this time is not the case. This is the like, if you don't understand, you wrote something that nobody can understand and you have to translate it. It's like you already learn one language to translate something and you have to learn another language in the English too. I don't know. It's so hard and complicated, but at the same time, I understand the fundamental importance of the legalese, and I can say that like we need some terms, and some of the terms has to be clear in the legalese. But yeah, my side is this. Yeah, thank you.
Amazing, Lakita and Belin. Well, for me, legalese is a secret code from jurists or lawyers. No, I'm just kidding. Well, it means all phrases, words, and elements mentioned in a legal document, such as acts, decisions, or today's topic is an international agreement. And I'm sorry for the noise. Legalese is from theories, principles, prior legal products, and our daily vocabularies. And of course, legalese is important for legal practitioners to communicate with each other, help our clients, and make a provision or a legal statement clearer and more precise when indicating a legal action, subject, scope, definition, legal event, and etc. That's all from me, and back to Sheida.
Thank you. Farah, can you explain how this class will increase public awareness of space activities, particularly about the moon?
These online settings help us to reach the public broadly and globally in knowledge transfer and exchange by understanding the legalese in the Moon Agreement that introduces the public to global space actors' orientation and scopes, and as well as enhances curiosity about space activities and its laws.
Thank you.